Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify customer service contact with Aetna, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify customer service contact with Aetna, begin by visiting the official Aetna website. Once on the home page, navigate to the bottom of the page. Look for the Contact Us link and click on it. You will be directed to a page with various contact options. Identify the customer service section relevant to your needs. Check for phone numbers provided for general inquiries or specific departments. Make a note of the operating hours listed for customer service availability. If you prefer written communication, look for an email contact option. Ensure the email address is specifically designated for customer service inquiries. For a more direct approach, find the live chat option if available. Engage with the live chat feature to ask quick questions or verify contact details. You can also access your member account if you have one. Log in using your credentials to view personalized contact information. For additional verification, consider calling your local Aetna office. Use the Find a Provider tool on the website to locate your nearest office. This allows you to confirm the legitimacy of the contact details. Ensure you have your member ID or policy number handy when contacting customer service. After establishing contact, take note of the representative's name for your records. If you experience any issues, consider reaching out through social media channels. Finally, keep all correspondence for future reference and clarity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.